Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best neon hair dye is probably one of the most exciting and transformative ways to express your personality and stand out from the crowd, offering a vibrant spectrum of colors that can turn heads and make a bold statement. Whether you're aiming for a subtle pop of electric blue or a full head of fiery pink, neon hair dye provides an unparalleled opportunity for creative self-expression, allowing you to experiment with daring shades and create a look that's uniquely you. This guide will help you navigate the dazzling world of neon hair color, ensuring you achieve stunning results that reflect your individual style and confidence. Number 5. Adore Semi-Permanent Hair Color, Neon Pink. Unleash your creativity with our stunning neon pink semi-permanent hair color. Achieve a bold and vibrant look that lasts. Feel good about your color choice. Our formula is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, so you can express yourself responsibly. Experience beautiful color without compromise. It's formulated without ammonia, peroxide, or alcohol, making it gentle on your strands. Achieve salon-worthy results from the comfort of your home. This easy-to-use dye delivers vibrant, long-lasting color. Get plenty of product for full coverage or multiple applications. This generous size ensures you have enough to create your desired look. What we like. This shade offers an incredibly vibrant neon pink that truly pops. It's formulated to be kind to your hair, being vegan and cruelty-free with no harsh chemicals. If you're looking for a bold, statement-making pink that's also gentle on your scalp and strands, this is a fantastic choice for a fun, temporary transformation. What people say. The color is vibrant and lasts a long time. Easy to apply and the color payoff is amazing. It doesn't damage my hair and the color is true to the swatch. Number 4. MANIC Panic Flash Lightning Hair Bleach Kit. Ready to transform your dark hair? Our powerful lightning kit is here to help you achieve your desired shade. This formula is designed to lift your hair color up to 5 levels. It's perfect for tackling even the darkest shades. Achieve stunning medium to light blonde results with ease. Get ready for a dramatic and beautiful change. Our bleach kit includes both bleach powder and a 30-volume developer for optimal lightening. It's formulated for effectiveness. Feel good about your hair transformation. Our product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, so you can shine responsibly. What we like. This kit is designed to lift dark hair significantly, up to 5 levels lighter. It's perfect for those with darker natural hair colors who want to achieve a lighter base for vibrant colors. If you're aiming for a dramatic color change and need a reliable bleach to get your hair to a medium to light blonde, this is the product for you. What people say. The color is vibrant and lasts a long time. It's easy to apply and the color payoff is amazing. The dye conditions the hair while coloring, leaving it soft and shiny. Number 3. Red by Kiss Tintation Semi-Permanent Hair Color. Unleash a stunning, vibrant neon orange shade with this semi-permanent hair color. It's designed to deliver long-lasting, eye-catching results. Infused with aloe vera, argan oil, olive oil, collagen, and keratin, this formula nourishes your hair. It helps maintain moisture and strength while coloring. Experience a gentle coloring process with its water-based formula. It's designed for ease of use and a comfortable application. Enjoy a beautiful, fade-resistant color that lasts. This semi-permanent dye ensures your vibrant look stays fresh for weeks. This generous 5 fluid ounces container provides ample product for full coverage touch-ups. Get ready to transform your look with ease. What we like. Experience a stunning neon orange that's both bright and long-lasting. This formula is enriched with nourishing ingredients like aloe vera, argan oil, and olive oil, making it a gentler option. If you desire a vivid orange hue and appreciate hair dyes that also condition your hair, this is an excellent pick for a vibrant, healthy-looking color. What people say. The color is vibrant and lasts a long time. It's easy to apply and the results are stunning. The dye conditions the hair while coloring, leaving it soft and shiny. Number 2. MOEHAIR Voodoo Highest Love Magenta Hair Color. Unleash your inner radiance with our Voodoo Highest Love Hair Color. This stunning magenta shade offers a vibrant and captivating look. Enjoy a beautiful transformation that's semi-permanent and temporary. It's perfect for experimenting with bold color without the commitment. This formula is designed to deliver stunning results even on dark hair. Achieve a rich and noticeable color payoff. Our hair color is crafted with care, free from ammonia, sulfates, and parabens. It's a gentler way to achieve vibrant hair. Get plenty of product with our generous 8-ounce size. Enough to cover your hair and ensure a complete, beautiful color application. Experience the highest love with this unique magenta shade. It's a color that truly stands out and expresses your personal style. What we like. This offers a rich and captivating magenta shade that stands out. The generous 8-ounce size ensures you have plenty of product, especially for longer or thicker hair. If you have dark hair and are seeking a deep, luxurious temporary color that provides great coverage and value, this is a compelling option. What people say. The color is vibrant and lasts a long time. It's easy to apply and the results are stunning. The dye is conditioning and leaves hair feeling soft. Number 1. Danger Jones Semi-Permanent Hair Color. Dare to be different with our vibrant, semi-permanent hair color. Express yourself with bold, unforgettable shades that last. Experience the thrill of our adrenaline shade. This electrifying neon green will make you stand out from the crowd. Get ready for intense, eye-catching color. Our formula delivers stunning results without the commitment of permanent dyes. Achieve salon-quality results at home. The creamy formula is easy to apply, ensuring an even and vibrant finish. Experiment with your look and have fun with your hair. Enjoy a bold new style that fades gradually, allowing for endless creativity. Make a statement with this shocking neon green. It's the perfect way to add a pop of edgy color to your style. What we like. Get ready for an electrifying neon green that demands attention. This dye delivers an intense, bold color payoff for those who aren't afraid to make a statement. If you're looking for a striking, vibrant green that's easy to apply and fades beautifully over time, this is the perfect choice for a daring and fashionable look. What people say. The color is vibrant and stays true to the picture on the box. It's easy to apply and the instructions are clear. The dye washes out evenly without leaving any patchy spots. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.